Hi, I'm Ozzy, and today is day 3 of turning a side hustle into a full-time business.
Going into day 3, we have one major issue. I've just about run out of material and cash flow to keep making rugs. But I wouldn't be Ozzy fucking Shank if I didn't find a way around it. So it's time to grab my big boy pants and get to work. To help save materials and cut down on costs, I'll be making keyboard wrist rest rugs. Available for purchase for only $20 to keep this journey to 100,000 followers going.
If you're interested in ordering, shoot me a DM and we can get the ball rolling. And make sure to follow me on my journey to 100,000 followers and making this side hustle a full-time job.